was thinking last night after I posted my video about my drag pack budget build, how much better are the slicks versus the radial? And I have my radial back here. So out of curiosity, the first thing I thought was rotational mass. We've clearly cut a lot of weight off of the front, but did we save any in the rear? And also, how much better is this tire hooking? So I got some videos from when I was at the drags on these radials versus when I was at the drags on these slicks. So we're gonna post up some of those videos so that you can see. I hit a point with this car where I was just blowing the radial off. So I felt the need to switch to the slick, which showed me a bunch of suspension weak links, which we will be addressing. But on my drag setup, when I was running these radials on the rear, I was running this stock 18-inch GTO wheel and tire on the front. So we're gonna weigh this 18-inch GTO wheel and tire. This is a Pirelli P0. We have a 17-inch GTO factory wheel with a Mickey Thompson ET Street R radial. It's a 245 by 45 by 17. We have my 26 by 10 by 15 Mickey Thompson ET drag on a Race Star 15 by 10 inch wheel, and a Mickey Thompson ET front runner 26 by 4 by 17 on a GTO spare. So we're gonna weigh all four of these. Stock 18-inch wheel with a Pirelli P0, 51.6 pounds. 17-inch factory GTO wheel on a Mickey Thompson ET Street R radial, 51.6 as well. 15 by 10 Race Star on a Mickey Thompson ET drag, 42 pounds. GTO spare with a Mickey Thompson ET front runner, 27.9 pounds. So I just threw the wheels and tires back on the car and moved it over in the garage. And while I was doing that, I did a little bit of math. On the front, we are saving 23.7 pounds per wheel and tire. That's a total of 47.4 pounds of rotational mass we've dropped off the front by switching to this wheel and tire combo over a stock setup. And on the rear, we're saving 9.6 pounds per, for a total of 19.2 pounds of rotational mass we've dropped off the rear while upgrading to a wider tire that hooks a lot better. What I'm about to show you now is my 3 fastest quarter-mile times for both radial and slick. And I'm going to show you those side by side progressively up to the fastest times that I have. Nothing else has changed between these runs except for the wheel and tire combo. We're on the same fuel, we're on the same suspension, we're on the same engine setup, same nitrous control management, all of it. The only factor is the wheels and tires, and I picked up a substantial amount, and I picked up consistency. Check it out.
5 and 6 take 4 tenths Pro 3, 4 tenths Pro 3, 5 and 6, 5 tenths Pro 3, 5 tenths Pro 3, 7 and 8.
So that's going to be it for this video. As you can tell, switching to a slick helped me a lot. It did reveal some of my weakest links inside of my rear suspension, which I've already ordered parts to address those weakest links. But all in all, I gained consistency and I gained a better quarter mile an hour time, and I kept about the same trap speed. So it really was just all wheel and tire. So subscribe, like, comment, share. Stick around because tomorrow I'm going to try to go do a review under the hood of my full bolt-on and cam setup, and I'm going to show you the dyno videos side by side of my stock GTO 6-liter versus the cam only bolt-on, and show you that I gained over 100 rear wheel horsepower with an amateur tuner. I tuned it all myself. So stick around, check out that video, and I'll show you what I got going on under the hood. And thanks guys for tuning in. God bless you. Stay safe. Have a great day.